Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the noise cancellation in your JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancelling Earbuds. So at the first, just open the case with your earbuds, then open JBL headphones application. If you don't know what is going on right here with this app, just watch other video on our YouTube channel where we show you step by step how to link these earbuds with the application. Then you have to, of course, take them off from the case and put them to the ears. In my case, I'm gonna just cover these two sensors, and as you can see right now, the noise cancellation is activated, but to power off, just click right here on the switcher, and that's basically how you can power on or power off this feature. You are also able to go for the settings, find gestures, and here you can find this feature. So for example, you are able to switch function to the ambient sound control, and you will be simply able to adjust this feature by tapping on this gesture panel. So take a look when you make a change. As you can see, after one tap, let me just cover this sensors. As you can see right now, when I tap once, the noise cancellation will be turned on or turned off. As you can see, that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.